Hello mga viewers, we are here in Ayala Mall, Vermosa. We are here in second floor of Ayala Mall, Vermosa. Chicken Bacolod. Choices. Ayan yung mga choices. Ayan, inasal, sisig special, seafood, soup, rice, all you can. Sinigang, vegetable rice. Ayan.
Isang buo ng mga inasal.
Our other favorites and desserts.
Ito ba package deal?
Ito yung kanilang restaurant. Ang laki-laki oh. Yan, Chicken Bacolod here in the Ayala Mall, Vermosa. Guys, look at this. Oh, yan, yan. Also has a Jollibee here, peri-peri, Chowking and others. Ayan. Guys, so kasama ko ninong ko. Ayan, ninong ko may tawa. Hi lang, mami. Hi. Ma.
Ano ba yan?
Hi! We are here in Chicken Bacolod. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe my Anserian channel ninyo.